I'm Stacy. Today I wanted to show you how to make a creamy macaroni and cheese. First, you're gonna go ahead and you're gonna cook your macaroni noodles and just follow the package directions and then set them aside. So then the next thing we have to do is make a cheese sauce. We're gonna start out with melting 2 tablespoons of butter, which I've already done. And then we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. What you would do at this point is you're going to cook this just a little bit until you get a nice creamy slurry here, or at least until it's all blended. Okay, so now we got a little bit of a paste kind of going on here. At this point, we're gonna add in a 1/4 teaspoon of dry mustard powder. And we'll add in 1 cup of milk. Now you can use half and half if you prefer. That's what I'm using. So what you would do with this is you're gonna keep going until the mixture is kind of bubbly and thickened. And it doesn't take very long, it's actually pretty quick. And the good thing about making your own homemade macaroni and cheese is you know what's in it. The other thing with this sauce that I really like is that it doesn't have to be for macaroni and cheese. You can use it on broccoli or cauliflower or whatever else you want. And if you wanted to make this a low-carb version, you can just go ahead and instead of using the regular all-purpose flour, you can use konjac root. So I'm not gonna let this thicken all the way because I want this video to be kind of short so that everybody can have time to watch it. So anyway, we would just let this go until, like I said, it becomes a little bit thicker and bubbly and is ready for the next step, which would be to add our cheese. Now I chose to use sharp cheddar cheese, and it's about 1/2 to 3/4 cup. That's gonna be dependent on what you prefer. You don't have to use cheddar cheese if you like something else. And then we're gonna go ahead and stir in our cheese here. Now things are a little slow because I'm not letting it bubble all the way because of the video timing. But within a few minutes, this is gonna thicken up and become a nice creamy sauce. And I will show you the final product. So I had made the creamy macaroni and cheese just a few minutes ago, and this is what it looks like. I hope you enjoy making this yourself for your own family. You can control what ingredients goes into your food, and also the cost is not that expensive. Thank you and have a great day. Bye.